Hi everyone, in this video I am trying a 5-minute makeup challenge. Let's see what I, a person who actually enjoys long makeup as a process, can do in only 5 minutes. Let's start! Moisturizing my skin and massaging in day lotion with both hands. It saves minimum twice the time, as usually I do it with a brush or on the 2 fingers. Applying right away some high coverage concealer under the eyes, near the nose, chin and forehead. No time to build up the coverage with light products, like I usually do. Right after, adding a BB cream on the rest of the face to blend it all together. It is not the best technique in terms of flawless blend, but definitely a time-saving option. I am blending everything together with a brush with a large surface, combining circular and applicative motions. Then can fix some areas that didn't blend perfectly with a finger like that. This is a super universal product, matte lip stain in a grayish beige pink tone. I apply and spread it on the inner sides of the hands like this and apply in the area of blush and contour. It will work as both. This technique is super quick, definitely saves at least 3 minutes. Then, quickly blend it out with a foundation brush and add a bit of the same color on the eyes. I will fix the center of the face and eyelids with powder. Color brow gel for modified and brushed brows in seconds. A touch of eyeshadows matching the blush color with a couple of finger motions and a lighter sparkle on top. And the time is running out, oh no! I was struggling to open the mascara here, so applying it with 3 moves. 1 second to curl with a finger, and 2 seconds for lipstick. And the 5 minutes are gone. This is how my final 5-minute makeup looks, and before and after. I think it definitely looks refreshing and great to go to work, meeting or studies. What do you think? Comment below. Thanks for watching my 5-minute challenge until the end. I wish you all a great week and see you soon in next videos.